Exercise 10, section A, question number 12, subdivision 2. The question is, a figure consists of a semicircle with a rectangle on its diameter. Given that the perimeter of the figure is 20 meters, perimeter is given 20 meters. You have to find out the dimensions in order that its area is maximum. So this is the figure. This is one rectangle, upper part is semicircular. The perimeter of this figure is given 20 meters. You have to find out the area. You have to find out the dimension, means length, breadth, if possible height also, so that this area is maximum. In this case, whose maximum or minimum value you have to find out, that function you have to form first of all. In the previous case the function was given. Now in this case you have to form the function and then you have to determine the values. Condition is given, perimeter is 20 meters. This is rectangle, this is semicircle. That's all is given. Area you have to find out first of all. Now as perimeter is given 20 meters, and from the figure it is clear the perimeter is, this is 2x, this is y and this is y. So y plus y is 2y, and this is half of the circle. Circle's perimeter is 2 pi r. In this case radius, as it is 2x, radius is x. So 2 pi x, that is the full thing. So half of that will be only pi x. So perimeter value is coming 2x plus 2y plus pi x. This is giving 20. That implies I am finding the value of 2y. 2y is coming 20 minus 2x minus pi x. Now we may think that why I am finding the value of 2y, because I need to convert the area function into single variable. There x and y both will come. One you have to replace by the other one, so that we get single variable and we can find out the derivative. Let's see now the area function. Area of this figure, this rectangular part, area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 2x into y, 2xy, plus area of semicircle, area of circle is pi r square. Half of that in this case, half pi, radius is x, so half pi x square. So previous I found out already the value of 2y, that I replace here 2y. That implies x into 2y. 2y value is 20 minus 2x minus pi x, and half pi x square as it is. This has come by equation 1. If we simplify, I am getting 20x minus 2x square minus pi x square plus half pi x square. If we simplify further, 20x minus 2x square is minus pi x square plus half pi x square, minus 1 plus half is minus half, is coming minus half pi x square. This is the area function. You have to find out when this area function is maximum here. A is function of x, so we have to find out derivative of a with respect to x. Therefore dA by dx is equal to derivative of 20x is 20 minus derivative of this is 4x minus derivative of 2 will come from 2 and half will cancel, 2 will come from 2 and half will cancel, we will get only pi x. This is the first derivative. And second derivative, d2a dx2 is equal to derivative of 20 is 0, derivative of x is 1, 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, similarly 1 into minus pi is minus pi. Minus 4 minus 5, this is positive or negative? This is negative quantity. So I have got second derivative negative. You don't have to find out, it has already come negative. Now we have to check the first derivative will be 0 for what value of x? I am using the right side. Now dA by dx is equal to 0. That implies 20 minus 4x minus pi x is equal to 0. That gives 4x plus pi x is equal to 20. X value is coming 20 over 4 plus pi. Therefore, I have already got second derivative less than 0. Therefore, A is maximum when x is equal to, it was given meter, 20 over 4 plus 5 meters. Your question is not x, your question is dimension of the figure. Dimension is your length, breadth is y, and height is, this is y and this is x plus y. These values you have to find out. So A is maximum when x is equal to 20 over 4 plus pi. That is, length is equal to, length in the figure is 2x. That is coming 40 over 4 plus 5 meters. Breadth value is y. And y value, from this equation you have to find out, y value will be half of this quantity. So y is equal to half of 20 minus 2x value. 2x value is this one, 40 over 4 plus pi, minus pi x value this, so 20 pi over 4 plus pi. Half of this is equal to half into, your LCM is coming 4 plus pi. This is 80 plus 20 pi minus 40 minus 20 pi. 20 pi is cancelling. 80 minus 40 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Is coming 20 over 4 plus 5 meters. 40 by 2, 20. So this is the value of breadth. And if you want, you can find out height also. Height is x plus y. And height is equal to, x value is 20 over this, y value is also this. So if we add this to x plus y, 20 plus 20 will give you 40 over 4 plus 5 meters. So your question was find the dimension so that the area is maximum. So area is maximum. Why maximum? Because the second derivative is less than 0. So area is maximum when x value is coming 20 over 4 plus 5 meters. So the dimension you have to find out. Dimension is length, breadth and height. Length was 2x. The value is coming 40 over 4 plus 5 meters. Breadth y. Y you have to get from this equation. This is the value of 2y. So y value will be half of this value. That's what I have written, half of this thing. By simplifying, I have got 20 over 4 plus 5 meters. And height, in the figure, height is this one. This is x and this is y. So x plus y, the value is coming 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 over 4 plus 5 meters.